All right, Daniel the Adjuster here, down in South Carolina, just working on some hurricane claims and working on my suntan. So I was feeling a little red today. I guess I got a little bit more sun than expected. But just praying for these people down here. It is a mess. Every time I go to these places and see the damage that has occurred, it is just shocking. And I'm not even in the center of all the mess. So just keep these folks in your minds. Do what you can to help, and don't hesitate to give love to those that are working. And thank our servicemen, our policemen, our safety forces, our tree guys, our roofers. Help them as much as you can, and thank them every time you see them. Anyways, be safe out there.